Today we're at Romi Machines in Rugby in the UK, and it's part of the Push Stock campaign. This machine is a GL 250M. As the M would suggest, this has got full milling functionality. When you look at the machine tool, we've got the new Fanuc OITF control. This has actually got a programmable tailstock, fully programmable. It's built on linear rails, which, as we know, makes it a fast, dynamic machine. In fact, up to 30 meters a minute traverse. As you can see, it's quite a small footprint for a machine of this size. It's actually built on a monoblock base. And what does that do? Well, it essentially dampens the harmonics of the machine, enables better surface finishes on your components, and arguably better productivity as well. The GL 250M also has thermal compensation as standard. This machine is ex-stock here at Romi, so why don't you find out more via Romi or mtdcnc.com.